Hi, I'm Judy Kolde, Senior Director of our Reseller Strategy and Microsoft Partner Sales team here in Redmond. I'm really excited today to talk to you about the opportunities we see in the small and mid-sized customer base around virtualization, server consolidation, and management. If you look at the industry data, IDC and others will tell you that server consolidation and management is over a $20 billion opportunity through 2012. But rather than me go through this with you, I thought it would be best for me to invite one of our partners, Mark Westling from the great state of Washington, from Right Systems, to talk to you about what they've done with virtualization and management in their business. Joining me is Mark. Hi, Mark.
Hello, Judy.
Thanks.
How are you?
Thanks for joining. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your company first?
Well, Right Systems was founded in 1993 as a technology solutions provider in the greater Northwest. We've grown our business into a multi-million-dollar business located in 6 regional locations throughout the Northwest. And we're a Microsoft Gold partner, Citrix Platinum partner, and along with HP Elite, Cisco Gold, we provide services and solutions to our customers throughout the Northwest.
And what has offering virtualization done for you in terms of your customer base and helping you in terms of grow your billable hours, your pipeline, et cetera?
The virtualization practice and our relationship with Microsoft has really helped us drive services revenues and software sales through providing a unique and very unique solution to our customers. We've seen the practice grow through the economic downturn, with our customers looking for solutions that will save them money and provide greater value. We provide these types of solutions and work very closely with the Microsoft technical account team and to get our engineers trained and our salespeople trained to sell these solutions to our customers.
So I know a lot of our partners have to make bets, they have to make decisions. They can't go into every product line or service offering that they're considering. How did you guys kind of come up with virtualization when you were looking at your existing customers? Were you thinking about growing to new customers? And when you looked at your customer base, what percentage of them do you think will actually move to want a virtualization or management kind of solution in the future?
Well, Right Systems was unique in that we've been providing application virtualization solutions to our customers since about 1994 through our relationship with Citrix. Citrix and Microsoft have a very strong partnership, and looking down the road and the Microsoft roadmap, it is very apparent that Microsoft is making a huge strides in virtualization and in the end probably going to be the leader in the space. So we're able to work with our Microsoft account team to provide the resources and training for our staff to really be able to offer the solution for our customers. And we believe that eventually 100% of our customers will be virtualized. Right now we're seeing about 30 to 40% of our customers virtualized, but we believe that that's going to increase dramatically over the next few years.
And I know your firm kind of scales and have very large customers into kind of the mid-market space. Do you see even like smaller, mid-sized customers interested in this scenario? And what are the pain points that they're bringing to you?
Absolutely. We believe that right now we have a pretty good penetration in the enterprise market, but the SMB market is a huge opportunity for us, and we are seeing customers consolidating their Microsoft servers, their Exchange servers, their SQL servers, all to utilize less hardware, provide more value for them and their business.
Great. Well, I think that's been very enlightening, Mark. I mean, when we think about what Microsoft is doing with a lot of our partners in terms of helping kind of open up new services lines, and in this case you've been doing it with Citrix for a while, but in terms of we bring some new technologies to the table, and I think at a price point that makes it very attractive for small and mid-sized customers to help you grow in maybe a market segment. Have you thought about ways in terms of making it more cost-effective for you, for us to take costs out of your service, your cost of service in that mid-sized space? Are there ways that, in terms of Microsoft technology helps you do that?
Absolutely.
Or is it just price point, or is it other things?
Well, absolutely. Price point is a large consideration for our customers, but the value of the solutions the customers are receiving from Microsoft is huge. You're able to purchase a Microsoft Windows 2008 server license and utilize Hyper-V to consolidate your servers onto one piece of hardware. You can provide DR, you can provide virtual desktop infrastructure to improve the scalability of your environment, and also deploy Windows 7 So we're seeing all kinds of different ways to provide value to the customers.
Well, thanks, Mark. That was great. And now we, I think, have heard firsthand from our partner in terms of what virtualization and management is doing for their business and helping them grow, and especially how they're thinking about scaling that into the small and mid-sized customer base. So now, from a next steps perspective, if you're out there and you're thinking about developing a practice in this area, what resources are available to you? First and foremost, again, we have resources to train your people. To make that simple, we've developed a learning path on the Partner Learning Center, which documents step by step, both from a technical and a sales perspective, trainings that you can have your team go through to get up to speed on virtualization and management. So please go up to the Partner Learning Center and take advantage of the free training. There's also a couple interesting tools. As we know, server consolidation, Mark talked about Exchange 2010, migration, Windows Server, Windows 7. There's all sorts of scenarios in terms of how you can actually make this real for customers. And we have a tool called the Virtualization ROI tool that will allow you to kind of do the math, so to speak, for your customers in terms of what the return of their investment is on those scenarios. So we strongly encourage you to take a look at that tool, and that's also available online through the Microsoft Partner Network. And finally, there's a tool called the Customer Opportunity Insights tool, or the SHOOT tool for short. And what that does is allow all of our partners to mine their data of customers in their database, where we've kind of looked at what's the next logical purchase. So which customers do you have that are likely candidates to want to work with you in virtualization and management? You can get the Customer Opportunity Insight tool from your PAM, and that's probably the best set of tools, I think, and resources. There's so much out there. Mark talked about the technical resources that are available from a training perspective, white papers. There's a lot for you to use, but I'm trying to give you the short list of things that I think are critical for you to take a look at. And with that, I just want to thank Mark very much for joining us and helping share his success in this scenario, and wish you all the best in terms of, I think it's a great opportunity that we need to explore further, and hopefully you'll take that next big step in terms of making an investment in virtualization and management.